This conference will now be recorded.
Right, let's start today's session. In the last session, we were discuss about tuple data structure and its complete operations. And in today's lecture, we will start with the set data structure and its complete operations. So we are into data structure discussion. So we just finished string and a list and tuple, and we'll go with now set. First, we'll try to understand what is set, how to create set. So, what are the different methods available in set? We'll discuss in detail. So, first we'll see what is set. So, I'll try to give some important points related to set. After that, we'll start with the all functions related to set. See here in Python, so set is ordered collection of elements. Sorry, set is unordered collection of elements. Unordered collection of unique elements, that too unique means no duplicate. Set is unordered collection of unique elements, we can say that. Unordered collection of unique elements. Order is not going to be happen in this set. See, the string we discussed, string is completely ordered collection of characters. List is ordered collection of elements. Tuple is also ordered collection of elements. But when it comes to set, it is completely unordered. Unordered means order is not going to take place in this set only. So set is unordered collection of unique elements, no duplicates. How to create set in Python? Okay, set can be create by using flower brackets. Okay, this is flower bracket. How to create a list by using square bracket. How to create tuple by using round bracket. How to create a string by using double quotes or single quotes. Same set can be created in Python by using what? Flower brackets clearly. But here, don't use flower brackets for creating of empty set. Why? Because uh, to create an empty set, to create an empty set, to create an empty set, then we use set function only. Why? Because in Python, if you try to create an empty set with the empty curly braces, it leads to dictionary. Because in Python, dictionary also can be created by using empty curly braces. So that's what, to create an empty set, then we use set function. If you want to create empty set, we use set function only. Next, set will allow different data type elements. Set will allow different data type elements. You can include any type of elements, but all the elements are must be unique, no duplicates, because it is completely unique elements only. Even if you try to give duplicate values in the set while creating, simply set will ignore the duplicates, it won't give any error. So set will allow different data type elements. So it will allow different data type elements. Next, set is mutable, means we can able to change set values at any time. Set is mutable. We can change the values of the set, sir. We can change the values of the set. Easily possible to change the values of the set. Set is mutable. We can change. We can change. So these are basic rules and regulations of set. Set is unordered collection of unique elements. Unordered means what? What the order you are trying to create in your program set elements. In the output, same order will not be there. So order will be changed every execution to execution. And set can be created by using curly braces. To create an empty set, Then we use what function? Set function. Set will allow different data type elements. Set is mutable. That means we can change the set, sir. Okay, yeah. Let's see this. And most important thing is the unordered data structures don't have any indexes. Strictly remember, it is unordered, which don't have any indexes because in the last lectures we have seen tuple unordered, list unordered. So we have seen index, sorry, tuple is ordered, list is ordered. We have seen indexes over there. But in Python, set unordered, so we don't expect any index because every time the values or elements are present in different locations, we don't expect same location in the set only because it is unordered. Unordered data structures don't have any indexes. We can't access any value based on its index. We can't apply any index. Let's see practically. I'm trying to create a new program here. So this is test 17. So let's close this all tabs. Yeah. Now coming to this here, test 17. So what I'm trying to do first, I want to create an empty set. So the moment when I try to create empty set by using empty flower brackets, now you can see print s. So it's not a set, sir. It is what actually? It's a dictionary only. Because in Python, when we try to create a set with the empty flower brackets, it leads to dictionary as I said. Now you can see this is dictionary clearly. Okay, this is dictionary, sir. So DACT. So why? Because in our next data structure that is a dictionary only, this is also possible to create what? Curly brackets, flower brackets. Mute your audio, Varsha. Now you can see I just create a set with flower brackets and it leads to what actually dictionary. But if you want to create empty set, what we have to use? Set function we have to use, sir. Now you can see I'm using set function. Now this time it leads to set function, empty set it is. Always in Python, if you want to create an empty set, we use actually set function. Don't use empty curly brackets. It leads to dictionary only. And if you want to create elements set with elements, then we can go for empty flower brackets. I'm trying to create elements like this. Different data type elements also possible because set will allow different data type elements. No problem. But look at this what order I maintain 10, 20, SAI, 45.6 and 45. Then same order it won't appear here. You can see order is completely different. It is unordered collection of unique elements. So 45, 20, and then what? SAI 10, 45.6. This is what exactly unordered collection of elements. So every execution to execution order might be changed like this. Okay. So now you can see order is changing. So it is unordered data structure elements, unordered data type it is. Now it will allow different data type elements. So any type of elements, but only it will ignore duplicates. For example, here I have included one more 10. Already 10 is there, but it will not accept duplicate values. It will ignore one of the value like only 110 is including. This is unique elements. Set doesn't allow any duplicate values. It will allow only unique elements clearly, sir, here. Okay. Yes. Now let's see this. So set don't have any indexes. So can we apply indexes on set? No, sir. We can't apply indexes on set. Why? Because it is completely unordered. So there is no index concept applicable on set. Okay. But as I said, that set is mutable. No, mutable means we can able to change any type of any at any time we can able to change, add the value, delete the value like this only. So these are related to set function. Statements, we have shown that. Now let's move into functions discussion. So how to change the set, sir? Okay, if you want to say change the set, then what we need to do, add and update method is there. You can see this. Add method as well as update method is there. So add method is used to add only one value to the set at once. At a time, how many values we can add by using add method? Only one value. Whereas update method is used to add multiple values to the set. If you want to add multiple values to the set, use update method. Or if you want to add only one value to the set, use add method. So anyone you can use. We have seen already in the list context. In the list, what we have seen, to add only one value to the set, we use what? Append method. To add multiple values to the set, we use what? Extend method. Same like, sorry, to add one value to a list, append method. To add multiple values to the list, extend method in the list context. But in the tuple, in the set context, if you want to add one value, add method. If you want to add multiple values, update method. Okay. But the question is where the elements or values are added to the set. Anywhere. Because there is no indexes and there is no insertion possible. Why? Because it's a unordered. Anywhere we can add the elements. For example, look at this. I'm trying to add one value to the set. S dot add of, suppose I'm adding Durga is the element to the set. Print as. Adding extra value to the set. So anywhere it can be added, but for sure it will add only one value. So the Durga is added here only. Okay. Now if you want to add multiple values, then update, we have to use update, update, update. Offset, set means compulsory we have to include in the any collection we have to include iterable object it is. So I want to add multiple values, like this is multiple values I'm adding to the set only. Print yes. 34, 67.8 Raj will be added to the set in different places. Anywhere you can see it is unordered only. 67.8 is there here, 34 is there here, Raj is there here, like this only. So to add one item to the set, we use add method. To add multiple items to the set, we use update method. Because set is mutable, anywhere we can able to add it. At the same time, we can also remove or delete from the set also. You want to remove some elements or delete, then we can use these two methods, discard method as well as remove method. But in the list context, previously what we were discussed, to delete the values from the list, we use what method? Remove method as well as pop method. Yes. Remove method can be used to remove the element from the list based on element. Whereas pop method of the list can be removed based on index only. But in this set context, if you want to remove elements from the set, there are two methods are there again, discard as well as remove. But here there is no possibility to remove the values based on indexes. Both method, discard method, remove method, both are working to remove the values based on its values only. No indexing concept. Because as I said that set is completely unordered collection of elements. Unordered means no ordered, completely unordered elements. These unordered elements we are not able to delete based on indexes. Only values only we can delete. But if you want to remove elements from set, we can use two methods. One is discard method, another one is remove method. So how to work with the discard and remove method, we'll see now. So there is clear method also there. It is just for empty list. So empty set. If you want to make your set as empty, you can use clear method. Or if you want to delete complete set along with elements, then method go for del keyword. It's not a method, it's a keyword. So now coming to this discard method. So discard and remove method both are used to delete the item or value from the set list. Let's see this discard method how to work with the discard method. So coming to this discard method, so you can see this. So suppose here I'm trying to take this s dot discard of 10 value I'm trying to delete. Yes, I'm trying to delete 2 value, 10 value. Fine. 10 value is deleted from the set. Okay, look at this. 10 is deleted from the set. Fine. I'm trying to take one method, different method, remove method. Remove method also same. Discard method also same. Okay. It is remove, both are removing the value which is present on set only. Sir, what is the difference between discard and remove method? Because both are working fine. We are applying the value, that value is deleted from the set, and remove method, discard method also is doing same thing only. Discard can remove this value, and remove method also can remove this value. That is the difference. So if the value whatever we supply for removing purpose, if the value is present on the set, then discard method, remove method both will work fine. So there is no problem at all. But whenever we don't have any value like 100, we are supplying the 100 value, but we don't have that value on the set. In this context, remove method will give you key error. Key error. Look at this. Whatever value we are supplying, that is not present in on the set. So immediately we got key error. You get out. Sir, why it is coming key error? It should come value error, no? Because we're supplying value here. Yes, we are supplying value only, but set will be consider every value in the form of keys only. These are all keys consideration here. That's what we are getting key error. So remove method can able to remove the value if the value is present on the set. If the value is not present, then it will give what a key error. Fine. Yeah. Let's apply discard method now. Discard method also will remove elements from the set when the element is available or value is available. So now you can see value is available. Discard method is discarded. Or not? Yes, it's discarded. But whenever we try to enter some wrong ID, wrong value, then discard method will not do any error rather than return nothing. Means it return none only. None means none is there. No problem at all. So this is same set only, but actually what it return, if you want to know that, simply you can go through S1. We are putting S1. S1 is nothing but NASA. Nothing to read. So this is the exact difference. Sir. Remove method, discard method, both are used to delete the value from the set. Both methods are working fine when the value is present on the set. But difference is what? When the value is not present on the set, remove method will do key error, where discard method will return what? None, sir. Nothing is going to delete. So return none. Nothing will happen. So as a programmer, you don't have guarantee. So whether the value is present on set or not. So you don't have any idea. Better go for discard method. If discard method, if you go, then value is present, it will delete. If the value is not present, simply you will get none. There is no error. But whenever we go for remove method, if the value is there and it will delete, but if the value is not there, you will get some error like error. So this is exactly difference between discard method as well as remove method. Okay, this is deletion process from the set. And sir, if I want to clear all the items from the set, means I want to make set as empty set I want to make. What I do? Then we use clear method. Sir. Clear method is used to make empty set. Now, the moment when I try to clear this, so what you are expecting the result here with item 5. So as I said that in the set points in Python to create an empty set we use what function? Set function only. But here will you get set function or will you get like empty curly brackets? Actually, after clearing the set, always in Python, empty set represent what? Set function only. So that's what your answer is, set function. not this one, because we can't create empty set by using empty flower brackets. It needs dictionary as set. So always when we try to apply clear function set after clearing all elements, actually it is in set. In set represent what actually set function only. As said, to create empty set in Python, we use set function. Don't use empty curly brackets. It leads to dictionary. So this is clear. Now that means completely delete the complete data structure. If you want to delete complete set, then we can go for del s. Deleting that s is not available. Set is completely deleted. Do you want to check whether it is deleted or not? Just print s. Now you can see we got addition. So that's what we are getting error. Name error. Name s is not defining like this. Okay. Name s is not defining that. Why? Because s is not defined. We completely what we can say deleted this s. Uh, what you can say is that was deleted when you are trying to access it. So we are, what we can say, we are making this error because name is not defined. So name error, we are trying to access the name of s, but name s was deleted here at line number 4. So it's a deletion of the set. This is common in object delete in Python by using the keyword delete. So no problem. So this is adding or updating values and remove elements from the set, all these operations. Now coming to set operations. So we can also apply some mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, and multiple sets. Multiple sets means generally if you want to get the common values or different values from both sets, then we can use what actually these set operations. Okay, union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. Union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. Let's apply these union values on two sets. Like taking here, this is two sets here. Set A, I'm taking first, equals to, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B, I'm taking here, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even multiple sets also you can take more than two sets. One set also you can take, not a problem. So this is what exactly two sets are available right now. Okay, two sets are available. But in these two sets, I want to find common values. Okay, I want to find common values or something different values. So like this, we have a scenario. So let's try to find this all. So two sets are there. Yeah. Print for trying to do A union B. This is union symbol of the set. In union B, union B. Union will return unique values from both sets. Here will return what exactly unique values from the both sets. So what are the unique values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is union value. 4, 5 is there in the first set A, and 4, 5 is also present in second set B, but two times will not get because set duplicate. You know, set will not allow any duplicate. And you can apply union symbol, that is A type symbol B, or you can apply A dot union of B. A dot union of B. Now let's run this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. So these are the values. A dot union of B. So any one you can use. Next, intersection test. Intersection symbol is and in the context of set. So we can get the common values from both sets. In intersection option, we can get common values from both sets. Common value means this is A and B. Intersection is A and B. Common values. Common values means 4 and 5 is presenting in both set A and B only, which is common values. 4 and 5 are common values from both sets. Either we can use and symbol or we can use A dot intersection of the B only. A dot intersection of B. This is also possible. 4 file like this. Print a dot intersection of b. Print a dot intersection of. Okay. Now let's run this. A dot intersection of b also coming clearly. Next, coming to this difference is there. A minus b. So here minus option there, that is different. For example, if I try to use a minus b option, what does it mean? A minus means a minus b. The set values will come from A, which are already present in B, not coming. So print A. A means this is value. Minus B means in this value, some of the values are already present in B. For example, that minus. So 4 is already present in B. So that's what the values which will come from A 1 2 only, not 4 5. It's A minus B. Or else you can also do it B minus A, for example. B minus A. B minus A means the sense what? B values we are getting, and in this B values, the value which are already present in A, that will ignore 4 5. Now you see 4 5 is ignored. 8 6 7 is something like this. Okay, 8 6 7. So this is what B minus. It is unordered, that is common problem. So even we can also use this A dot difference method also. The difference of B is also the same. A minus B also same. So A dot difference of B means 1 2 3. We are getting 4 5 is not coming because 4 5 is already present in B. So this is difference. Symmetric difference means the value except the common values, unique values you get except the common values. 4 5 4 5 is available in both sets. So except the common values, you will get unique values like 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. These are the unique values except the common values. Now we see A dot symmetric difference of B. You can see A dot symmetric difference of B 1 2 3 6 7 8 like this. Symmetric difference of B 1 2 3. And union and symmetric difference is different. Or you can say union of union value will return common value also in the unique section, but symmetric difference means except common values, it won't give it will give other values only 1 2 3 6 7 8. And here union means for 5 also is a unique value. It return unique values from both union means. Symmetric difference means it 1 2 3 6 7 8 is possible here. 1 2 3 6 7 8 like this. Okay, fine. These are the set operations. We can apply multiple sets also, not only two sets. You just let C value. C is there one set. Suppose I'm taking 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, like this. Just observe here. I also apply A union B union C like this. A union B union C like this. Multiple sets also we can apply. No problem. In all unique values are A union B union C. Got it? All unique values for 3 sets only. Here 4 5 common is available in both sets. Only 4 5 one time. 6 7 is 7 8 is called in B and C, but 7 it also came. But if I try to go for what we can say intersection, this is A intersection B intersection C in common values only. So now we see what the problem actually here. So this empty set is returning here in intersection B intersection C, because intersection means what actually here common values which are coming from multiple set. Here A B is the intersection. A B intersection means common value is what actually 4 5. But immediately we are applying 4 5 intersection C means is there any C value 4 5? No sir. That's what it's empty set only returning. In case if I have 4 and 5 and then common values are coming 4 5 only. But if I don't have 4 5, then first it will return what actually A and B 4 5 common values, and after that result we are getting 4 5. Again it is complete intersection with C only. That's what we won't get any common values present in B and C. Yes, empty set will return. We can apply all the set operations on multiple sets, no problem at all. So now these are coming here. This already which I explained in the double context number shift means whether any value is present on the set or not. We can check membership test. For example, my set is this one, and I'm taking set values like this one here. And if now the value is present in set or not, we can check by using membership test. And in yes, no, 100 value is not yes, so immediately false. Then yes, 10 value is available in the set, so that is false. For example, this is a membership test. Whether the value is present on the set or not, we can check. So length is a common function which is used to apply on any data structure of Python. So let's go for length of s, how many number of values are present in the set. You will come to know that. So that is 4. And max is the common, max of s, maximum number present in the set 40. Minimum also common, and minimum number of the set. And but make sure that maximum minimum sum of the values and only it will applicable on numbers like integers, negative numbers, floating numbers, but we can't apply this all procedure with string and integer numbers. Suppose the moment when I apply any string value, you aren't able to do it. Unsupported operand type, because trying to add some integers and some strings also, that's not possible. Unsupported operand type for integer and string, it's not possible. These are all the functions which are related to set operations. So this is about set. It is completely unordered. Unordered means no ordering, but it's immutable. You can do any changes, but only the thing is it is unordered. Sometimes what we say, some data structures repeatedly order should be shuffle, means no order will be represented same order. So unordered data structure means set only, but some immutable only. We can able to change the values at any point of time, no problem at all. And only the thing is, when do we go for set collections or apart from list and tuple, all these things means. So string will allow duplicate characters, list will allow duplicate elements, also allow duplicate elements, but set doesn't allow duplicate. If you want to maintain the action unique, no duplicates, in that context, better to go for actually set priority. So set will not allow any duplicate. It's maintained completely original values of here. Even if you try to give duplicate values, set will simply ignore the duplicate. Only it will accept original. It won't give any error. So this is about set related functions. Coming to this DICT, dict means dictionary Python. So in Python, DICT represents dictionary. How like str represent string, same DICT represent what dictionary. We'll talk about some important related points to the dictionary. After that, we'll go for examples. So, what is dictionary in Python? DICT is a collection of items. It is a collection of items. In dictionary, each item, each item can be a pair, that is key and values. Key and value. Next, we can create, we can create, we can create dictionary. We create a dictionary using, but actually this is only star brackets. How to create a dictionary in Python? Again, curly braces. So next, dictionary is must be unique. No duplicate key. Try to include a duplicate key. Click okay, duplicate key value here will not accept. Dictionary keys must be unique and it is immutable. And is immutable. Immutable can we change the no. Changes of key not possible. At the same time, in dictionary, values are mutable, means we can change. Values are mutable, we can change, and known to be unique. Known to be unique. No unique values of the values and duplicate values also possible are in dictionary. Keys must be unique and it is immutable. Key can never change once we create a key. Modification keys are not allowed. But in dictionary, values are mutable and no need to unique. Unique means no unique, unique values can also include duplicate value problem. In dictionary, values are mutable and no need to unique values. Right. Next, coming to this dictionary, keys and values, keys and values can be of any type. Any type means any data type we can able to include any data type. But some key restriction is there. Okay, in the key location we not able to pass a mutable object side by key. I do that also. But most of the cases in dictionary, key and values can be of any type. So dictionary is a collection of items. In dictionary, each item can be a pair, that is key and value. We can create a dictionary by using what actually curly bracket or bracket. In dictionary, keys must be unique and it is immutable. In dictionary, values are mutable, meaning we can change the values, but it can never be changed. Keys and values can be of any type, sir. Okay, yes. For empty dictionary, if you want to create empty for braces, we can use dictionary with values and keys. If you want, you can go through inside this R brackets, key values here, we can use it. Let's try to do this how to create dictionary and what is dictionary also. Creating a dictionary. And why I'm making D for dictionary. So just empty dictionary I'm taking print D, print type of D is here. Type of D. So look at this. It's written empty R brackets. That means empty dictionary. Dictionary types what actually this DSC dictionary type. So the moment when I try to add some values to them, so it leads to what's are now set. I said because dictionary is not look like. Dictionary always associated with keys and values. But we are supplying all the keys only 1, 2, 3 values. Now let's run this. We are using this set only. D equals to 1, 2 like this. Okay, fine. Next, how to mention this key value pair means this is names are taking here or else any values like this. Suppose here because values can be of any type of set. Size is the string type, 20 is the integer type, 45 bytes is the value float type, any values, no problem at all. So I can see, but key can be of yes, value can be duplicate also. Now I can see 4 again values duplicate is there. This duplicate value, but their keys are different. Here 4 key is there, here 1 is there. So keys are different, but it's valid. For example, the moment when I try to take one of the keys, now observe here, 45.6 value is associated with same key. Sai is also associated with same key. Their keys are the same, but values are different. But is it possible, sir? No. In Python, duplicate is not possible. Any one of the key value pair only will be considered. We can't say the key value pair is going to consider. So now you can see this one and Sai is ignored now. Simply ignore. Duplicate keys are not possible. Okay. Here we have seen this is value. Value can be string type, value can be integer type, value can be float type also. And in value can be tuple type also possible. Look at this, value can be tuple type. 34 is the key. Its values are like this tuple type. Is it possible or not? You can just check it once. Okay. Yes, it's a possible. Or value can be tuple type. Tuple type of value. So value can be set type also. Or value can be string type. Value can be set type also. Just observe. This is the key. Key is right now using integer 1.6. It's a string only. sorry, floor only possible. Name, it only possible. But here I'm taking tuple possible. The name in the key context, I'm saying tuple, it's possible. Tuple key is accepted. But look at this, the moment whenever I have added list key, list key. So list is actually originally what styles are mutable. It is mutable. List itself mutable. Now, mutable object we are passing in the place of immutable object because according to dictionary keys are immutable. You can't supply the mutable object here. So that's what they are getting error, type error, unhashable type. Unhashable type it is. So unhashable type in the sense mutable type it is. Mutable type list it is. But we are placing immutable object place. That's not possible. Even in C set also set, set is mutable type, it is unhashable type. Again, we are supplying set value also in the context of dictionary key. That's not possible. So we can why we are passing tuple here because tuple is immutable means dictionary key also immutable. Both are matching. That's what it's allowed. So this place is dictionary key place. Dictionary keys are immutable. So here we have to pass immutable data structure only. You can't say mutable data structure there. Got my point? Yes, this is a case. So now let's see how to access values from the dictionary here. To access values from the dictionary. Simply remember, if you want to access any value from the dictionary, we have to use compulsory keys. Without keys, we can't do anything. But there are two scenarios out there to access values from the dictionary. I'll tell you both scenarios how to access values from the dictionary. Let me create a dictionary. I'm trying to create dictionary. Suppose employee ID I'm taking. Employee ID is 123. Employee name I'm taking. Employee name is something like this. Employee name Durga. Employee name, employee address or employee age. Employee address also I'm taking. Employee address. The address I'm taking. Employee address like this. Print D. So I'm trying to create dictionary here. If you want to access any value, for example, employee name, if you want to access, how we can access means key through we can access. Now you can see print D of e name. So passing D is a dictionary of inside the square bracket. So it has a key, no? So key e name. E name through we are going to get what actually the values are. It's possible. We're trying to access some value from the dictionary by using it key only. So we are passing key here e name. And there is one more option is also there. So what is that option number two means you want to get the value from the dictionary. That function is there. It's a built-in function and that function also expects some key. So based on this key only, that function will get the value from the dictionary. So we are working with both. So both are written exactly same. But you get what is the main difference between these two. Both, both options are working fine, sir. D of e name is perfect. D dot get of e name it's also perfect. Got my point? Print D of e name and print D dot get of e name. Both working fine. So when we go for this one, it's working both. What is the difference between option this one and option this one? See, we are applying the key, but in both cases, key is present in the dictionary. If the key is present in dictionary, both will give correct result. But let's solve this one first. Line number 5, I'm commenting. And let's see this if I'm giving correct key values coming here by using this syntax. If the key is not available, that means wrong. If I apply, then you will get what key error. What error? Key error. Why? You are attempting to get a value based on this key, but unfortunately this key is not available in the dictionary. So that's what they are getting what errors are key error clearly. Print B of age. So we are getting completely key errors are in this context. So if you know clearly key value is there, then you try to get the value by using this syntax. If you don't know key name, so better go for get function only. The reason is, look at this, get function will return value if the key is present, fine, and even if the key is not present, get function return none. Means nothing is there clear here, none. So this is the best way to do it. Dictionary values. This function will return none if the key is not present, and this one will not get return none. So compulsory you have to pass correct key only, otherwise you will get error. So the difference between this approach and this approach is what both approaches will get value if the key is correct. If the key is wrong, this approach will give key error, whereas this approach will give none. Means there is no value which is associated with key. So this is a way to access value from the dictionary. You can also change or add values. How to do it? Again, same key only. Dictionary values are mutable. As I said that values are mutable. Mutable means we can modify the values. Okay, compulsory we can modify the values. So you easily can modify values. How to modify the values? Again, through keys only possible. One thing is for sure, if you want to do anything in dictionary, so key through we have to do it, value through we cannot do it. So that is for sure. So let's try to change or add values to the dictionary. D of suppose employee name equals to, okay, employee name equals to, I am taking, but already the employee name is present in my dictionary. The moment when I change that after the printing D, now you can see print D, so got changed, value got changed. Because we are supplying a key, so the values got changed or not? Yes. This key we are changing this value clearly. D of name equal to psi. So if the key is present, value gets updated. No? Yeah, value gets updated. So what happens if the key is not present? Suppose age key is there, like age key is there. I'm trying to age is like this. Then what will happen is it won't give any error. It will add a new key value pair. It will add an item to the dictionary. Item how it is. This is key and this is value. Both consider as item. Is added or not? Yes. Age colon 45. So what's happening here means if the key is present, value gets updated. If the key is not present already in dictionary, a new key value pair is added to the dictionary. Simple. Okay. Previously it was like e name equal to something like this. Okay. E name equals so on. This time what will happen? Key is there, so value gets updated. Fine, value gets updated. But if key is not there, what will happen in this case? New key value pair is added to the dictionary. That is age colon 45. It's added as a new item to the dictionary services. It's added new item. Got my point? So this is the case. So D of age equals 45. So this age is key value pair is added to the dictionary. Okay. Yes. Now how to remove values? So we can also delete the value from the dictionary. Again, if you want to do any changes, compulsory key can be used. If you don't use keys, it will not possible to delete. So let's see this delete. Del is E of name or e name. So e name. What I'm trying to delete one item. So with key only it's possible. D is my dictionary. Of e name is what actually key. So it means using this key, I want to delete this value. So now you can see EID 123, E address H20. This e name guys deleted because we supply key completely here. So del space B of e name. So this is only one item can be deleted here. But sir, what can I do if I try to delete entire dictionary? Yeah, we can delete the dictionary is possible, no? So del space D, that's it. D for dictionary here, and this deletion of dictionary is possible. After deletion, you just try to print it D. Now del D I'm taking. So deletion of D. E8 1 2 3. E name Durga. E address is HY. So it is there here, but here it is deleted. If we want to know deleted there or not, we can try to print this. So name is not a defined. Did you mean ID? No. This is the only. So this is deleted dictionary here. So if you want to delete the value from the dictionary again, we can use compulsory key only sir here. Okay. So this is changing or adding value from the dictionary, deleting or remove values from the dictionary, all these things like this. So next, dictionary copy. Copy also same in the last section. In the list context we have seen shallow copy, deep copy. Same thing here also we can apply. For example, look at this D1 equal to D. Okay, print D1. It's a new copy. It's alias name. So now it's alias name. But this is not a new copy completely. It's a one more copy of D is maintained. So if I try to do D1 dot D1 dot, what we can say, D1 space del of, okay, any name I'm trying to delete on D1, sorry, del of D1, a mistake, DL, del of a name. I'm trying to delete D1 dictionary name. So after deleting, I'm printing D1, I'm printing D also. Let's see this, how it's going to be affected. Both copies are affected or not? Yes. The original dictionary is this one, okay, and EID 1, 2, 3 like this. But now you can see if I try to do after deleting like this here. So moment. Now, so D equals to D1. Parent D1 is there. This is D1. D1 of E in the sense E is deleted from D1, but D also if it's affected or not. Yes. This is not a deep copy, it's all copy. Why? Because this both D1 and D both are representing same memory location. Do you want to find memory ID of D and then prime ID of D1? So the both are located in same memory. Impact is there. You can see memory address of number same 544 544. How do we make this as a copy means a D dot copy? I'm using once the moment when I use copy method, it's become a deep copy only. So this is when we do change on D1, it won't affect on D because here you can see E name is deleted from D1, only it's deleted. D name is deleted from D1, only it's not deleted from D because D1 memory address is different, D copy memory address is different. So that's why here this is D copy here, it's not shallow copy. If I remove this copy method, it's a shallow copy. Both copies are same. It's already we discussed in my list point of view. So these are the copy function. Okay, this is a very simple functions are like items, keys, values. These are very straightforward functions which are present in the dictionary. To get all the items from dictionary, you can use items function. To get all the keys from dictionary, you can use keys function. To get all the values from dictionary, we can get values function. So items, keys, values. That is how we can get quickly. So I'm trying to apply first items. Print b dot items. So item is nothing but key value. Yes, dictionary items are coming. EAD 1, 2, 3, this is an item. E name Durga, this is one more item. E address HYD, this is one more item. And so on. Next, what I'm trying to do, print b dot what keys. Only keys I want to get. So keys means EAD, E name, E address, keys. Only I want to get values. D dot what values. So values you will get only values. So you can see values we are getting. To get only values, we use underscore values. So values function is there. To get only keys, we use keys. To get only items, we use items. So got here d dot items, d dot keys, d dot values like this. This is items, dictionary keys, dictionary values are coming. Fine, sir. So this is about this day session. We will see tomorrow from here on membership test length, pop, and also we bytes, byte array frozen set, which I was not discussing in the previous session. As said that at that time, I will discuss later. So this is bytes, byte array frozen set also how to discuss. So that will finish complete data structure and its operations. And tomorrow, most important concept I'm going to talk in entire Python. It's very important. It is functions in. But meanwhile, today you can make exercise program. So just by writing this exercise program, you can try to write from your side. Okay, let's move to task.py, which are perform task. So I'm asking the question here, exercise program today. Uh, write a program, write a program, find, find the smallest, smallest number from a list, number from a list. Is next, write a program to find second largest number from a list only. Second largest number here. Two programs take this one. These are the exercise programs today. We can find the smallest number from the list, and we can find what we can say is uh, second largest number from the list only. Okay. Second largest number and also smallest number I am finding. And one more thing, just I am trying to find. So here next program also type is also simple. Write program to find average value from the list collection. Okay, so this is, for example, input like this. I'm taking input. Any input you can take, not a problem. 23, 45, 67, 89, 32, 46 like this. You can find the average of this value. Sorry, sum and average you can see there. Write a program to find sum and average value from the list collection. This list collection, you can take these numbers anything. Just I'm giving an example. You can find this sum of all values and also find the average of these values from the list only. These three programs you can write from your side. See all that I'm just copying and pasting into my box. You can select from over there if you want. So here we will discuss these three programs in the first 5 minutes in tomorrow session. After we'll go to our topic. So that's all now. See you again in tomorrow.